In today's digital world, computers have become an essential part of our daily lives. A computer is an electronic device that receives input, processes it, and provides output. It is used to perform various tasks quickly, accurately, and efficiently. Whether in schools, offices, banks, hospitals, or homes, computers play a vital role everywhere. A computer has two main parts: hardware and software. Hardware refers to the physical parts of a computer that we can see and touch. These include the monitor, screen, CPU, central processing unit, keyboard, mouse, printer, speaker, etc. The CPU is often called the brain of the computer because it controls all the functions. Software, on the other hand, is the set of programs or instructions that help the hardware work properly. Software cannot be touched, but it is essential to make the computer function. Examples of software include Microsoft Windows, MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and web browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. There are also input and output devices. Input devices are used to enter data into the computer, e.g., keyboard, mouse, scanner. Output devices show us the result of the work, e.g., monitor, printer, speaker. Types of computers include desktop computer, used in homes and offices; laptop, a portable computer; tablet, smartphone, small touch-based devices that work like mini computers. Computers are used in many fields: education, for online classes, making notes, preparing presentations; banking, to manage accounts, ATM services, and online transactions; healthcare, for keeping patient records and diagnosis systems; business, managing data, making reports, and digital marketing; entertainment, watching movies, listening to music, playing games. When using computers, it is important to stay safe. Use strong passwords. Install antivirus software. Avoid visiting unknown or unsafe websites. Take regular data backups. Knowing some keyboard shortcuts can also make computer use easier. Control Yaon, C equals, copy Control Yaon, V equals, paste Control Yaon, Z equals, undo, Alt Yaon, F4 equals. The program, these shortcuts save time and improve productivity. In conclusion, basic computer knowledge is very important in today's modern age. It helps in studies, office work, communication, and personal development. Everyone should try to learn at least the basic skills of using a computer. With regular practice and curiosity, anyone can become confident in using computers. The future is digital, and computers are the key to it.